What's up? It's your girl, OJizzle, and I'm back with another video. Yesterday I went to work with OJ. I forgot I didn't do an intro, so here I am. Yesterday I went to work with OJ as he added a new service to his business. Thumbs up to OJ. Keep up the good work. We are proud of you. And I wanted to add a little add-in for my lashes. Don't forget to shop LASH'D. Thanks for watching. We're gonna get straight into this video. I want to see how you gonna get that off.
Yeah. You stop it. It's your boy OJizzle, man, and I'm here with y'all today, man, showing y'all my work. Just power wash the house. You know what I'm saying? This shit had a lot of mildew, had a lot of rain damage. You know what I'm saying? I got all that off. Y'all can walk with me. You know what I'm saying? You can see. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The panels got their color back. You know, I got all the debris. You know what I'm saying? Knocked all that off. All she got to do now is get it repainted. That's why it look pale like that. She has to get it repainted, so she had to get the power wash first. So that's what I did today. Power wash everything, clean everything. You know what I'm saying? Side. And hit the fence. Hit the fence. So I'm gonna show y'all how the back look. You know what I'm saying? Gotta support your boy, man. OJizzle. OJizzle mobile. I'm mobile with detailing. I'm mobile with power washing your house. You know what I'm saying? Check out to the side. Side right here. Side. Back right here. A lot of beehives, you know, wash dishes. I had to spray all that. I had to clean all this. Get right here. I want them to see that. I had to clean all this out. All it was Then right here, she had a lot of spider webs, had a lot of wasp nests, beehives. I cleaned all this out. You know what I'm saying? Hit that with the solution, man. She gonna get it right. Alright, with the rest of the back of the house right here. Then I got the back side. She ready, man. She ready. She ready for her wet paint. Yes, sir. Check me out, man. OJizzle.
Tell them how to get in contact with you.
Man, y'all can reach me at 214-732-5537. Yeah, man, just reach out, man. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos, so you're gonna be able to reach out to me because you're gonna be able to comment, you know what I'm saying, inbox me, you know, on more detail on the page, you know what I'm saying, from car washing to powerhouse, you know, washing. So, you know what I'm saying, I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, for y'all time. You know what I'm saying, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, man. Get it out there, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get these clean houses, man. Cleanliness is next to God.
Peace.
Peace, man. Bentley joint, man. Bentley joint, bro.